Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make a healthy and delicious fresh corn salad. We'll need diced red bell pepper, diced green bell pepper, chopped red onion, grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes cut in half. If the tomatoes are larger, cut them in quarters. Cilantro leaves. If you don't like cilantro, use parsley. And of course, fresh corn. For the simple dressing, we'll need fresh lime juice, olive oil, sugar or honey, and red chili flakes. To cook the corn, steam, grill, or boil it. The fastest way to cook corn is in the microwave. Remove a few of the outer leaves. Break off the bottom handle or shank. If it's really hard to break the handle off, it's okay to leave it on. Rinse under water and place on a plate. Cook for 2 minutes. Turn them over and cook for another 2 minutes. 4 minutes is perfect for 2 ears of corn. While the corn is cooling, we'll make the dressing. Squeeze the limes right into a measuring cup. Add salt, 2 pinches of red chili flakes, sugar or honey, and olive oil. Whisk to combine. Taste and adjust the salt and sugar if you need to. It really depends on the sourness of your limes. The corn is cool enough to handle. Remove the husk. This is really sweet bicolor corn. Breaking off the handle is sometimes easier after cooking. I'm using 4 ears of corn for this recipe. It's best to cook 2 ears and then the next 2. I've found that if you cook all 4 at once, they don't cook evenly in the microwave. Cut the bottom end of each cob so it stands flat on your cutting board. Cut all the kernels off from top to bottom. Put the kernels in a large bowl. Add the red onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, tomatoes, and cilantro. Whisk the dressing and pour it over. Stir well to combine. It's a really beautiful, colorful, and healthy salad. There's a perfect balance of sweet, salty, tangy, and a little spicy from the red chili flakes. The crunch from all the vegetables makes you want to keep eating it. And you can, because it's good for you. Give the salad a try and let me know how you like it in the comments below. See you next time. Thanks for watching.